If you have this 1944 penny, you have something worth a lot of money. This one sold for $408,000, and in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to be looking out for to make sure you don't come across one of these coins and accidentally spend it or sell it for too little amount of money. So let's jump right into this. So most 1944 pennies are going to look exactly like this coin right here. These 1944 pennies are worth usually a few dollars at most. Depending on the condition of the coin is really going to dictate how much money it brings. But if you have a 1944 penny, whether it has a D mint mark or no mint mark, that doesn't matter as much. But really quick, that D mint mark there stands for the Denver Mint, where this coin was minted. What you really want to be looking out for is an error coin that is accidentally struck on a zinc coated steel planchet just like this one. But remember, the date must be 1944. Now there are people out there that will try to sell you this coin for a much cheaper price. Now that's a huge red flag. Remember, if it's too good to be true, it probably is, because there's scammers out there that will try to sell you a fake coin. Now, for example, if someone came up to you and offered you this exact coin right here, and they said, I will sell you this coin for $1,000, I don't really know how much it's worth, don't trust them, because as you can see here, this coin actually sold for $408,000. And the last thing I want to happen to you guys is to get ripped off or scammed by someone who's trying to make money off of you. But a question I get a lot on my channel is, hey, I came across this coin, what should I do with it? Please, if you come across a 1944S coin that was struck on a zinc coated steel planchet and looks just like this one, make sure you consult an expert before you do anything. I offer a service on my channel. You can hit the join button and become a member of my silver membership. You can send me photos and I'll tell you how much they're worth. But if you don't want to do that, this is what you need to do. Go to at least 3 different coin experts and ask them how much your coin is worth. If one of them tells you a really low number but the other 2 tell you a higher number, the person that's telling you a low number is likely a scammer, or they just don't know exactly what you have. One thing I would generally avoid is pawn shops. For the most part, not always, but for the most part, pawn shops are just there to buy low and sell extremely high. This is not what you want to happen. So please spend that time, do your research. If you have a 1944S penny and it looks just like this, keep it safe. Do not drop it, damage it, because the condition is really important on these coins. But even if it's super beat up, it's still going to be worth a lot of money, guys. But hit that subscribe button. It really does help out with the YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.